Good morning to all Wikipedia and YouTube viewers. Today we are going to see about how to create a Microsoft scalable account to access your Microsoft Azure AI. So Microsoft has given a learner's account. In that learner account link, those who have registered with that particular training key, they can log in that. I have a training key shared for you. This training key is valid only for 1 month until December 30. You can access it. Using this training key, you have to create a scalable account under this URL, and then after that you have to log in with your mail ID. Then after login with your mail ID and username and password, you have to access all the resources. They have given some sample 12 lectures along with instructions how to access Microsoft Azure AI services. Now we will see how to create a learner account under this training key. This was the URL they have given it. Under this, once you have entered this URL, it will ask for two things: sign in and other with register with training key. Those have, if you have already have a registered under this training key, then if you have login, you can click on signing up. If you are going to create a register for training key for the first time, then you can click here. Once you click on it, it will ask for a training key. So I already have a training key with me, so just copy and paste it here. I will share this URL and the training key in the first comment of this video. Click on register. Once you click on register, it will ask for your credentials. To create your credential, it will ask for your name, first name, last name, mail ID and password to get connected. Once you have clicked on thing, depends on internet connection, it will take a time. After that, on loading it, give your details. Let's say that I'm going to give the details as Wikipedia. Last name, I'm going to give it as V. Primary mail ID, any mail ID that you want to create it. Existing Gmail account or any mail ID you can give it. This will be acting as a username for your skillable account. Give a password. That password must consist of numbers. Let's say that I'm going to give a password called like this thing: abc.123. Right, it should be like more than 8 characters length. Should consist of a number, symbol and then an alphabet. Type the same password again. Select your country, zone. So in that zone, select UTC plus 5:30, Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai and Delhi. Then click on save. So once you click on save, it will wait for some time, and after that you can log in it. Now already I have an account, so what I'm going to do it, like I'm directly, after clicking save, you have directly go to the login page. I already have an account, so I'm going to skip this up. I'm going to click in login button. So once you login has been created, you can directly click on sign in option. In that, go to skillable account, enter your registered skillable account mail ID, that is your username, along with your domain of your mail ID, Gmail account or whatever it may be. Enter the password. Click sign in. Okay, it says that already I have logged in. Right, in that, click on my training button. In that my training button, there will be something called, this will be like KT Azure AI 102. Click on it. You will be able to access 12 to 13 exercises are there, all linked to a Microsoft Azure. So if it is not showing up, click on view agreement and accept it. It will show. Now if you want to launch the first thing, then click on launch button. Once you click on launch button, it will log into your virtual environment. It will take time. Once you click on that launch icon, so it will starts to launch a virtual environment, where this virtual environment they have a login, they have a credentials they will ask. So what are the things, what are the exercises, what are the steps you want to do it, all this will be available in the right hand side of it. In the left hand side you can follow this instruction and you can run your virtual uh, micro Azure services here. Let me go step by step. So it is asking for student login. So in that student, click on it. It will ask for a password. Login with Windows as student. So this is like Windows environment, virtual Windows environment they have given it. You can log in with it. If you find any difficulty on loading it, click on here. Click reconnect. It will again take time. It will again reload this virtual environment. When it is asking a student login, and then it will ask for a password. Type the password here, click enter. Now you will be logging into virtual Windows account. In this Windows account, it is a default instance. Once you close it, all the services, all the things that you have done within this thing will get deleted. So it is a virtual account, so you need to have an internet connection with it. Then after that, what you have to do, like you have to just follow all the steps here. So you have to start the Visual Studio Code. Yes, Visual Studio Code editor is here. Then there is a GitHub clone project is there, cloner, and all these instructions you have to follow it. The last video that I have posted it, I have done this the same exercise with the help of this virtual account. Now today's task is like you have to run this Visual Studio Code editor, create a login in Microsoft Skillable account, run this Visual Studio Code editor, follow the video one that I have shared it, and also try to enter this, try to complete this exercise as soon as possible. Once you have done all those things, click on end button, end my mark and mark it as a completed. Click OK. It will try to evaluate whether this experiment has been completed or not. Click on submit. Close the window. That's it. Thank you.